my name is Mireya. For this video, I'm going to be sharing with you how I did this Halloween makeup, hanging eye makeup. I did this with the kit that I purchased at Walmart. I'm so excited the way it turned out. In the instructions in the back, they don't really go into detail on how to apply it, so I wanted to share this video with you guys. That way you guys get the idea on how to apply it, just in case you go to Walmart and you're trying to figure out how to apply this hanging eye makeup kit. This is one of the ideas, or one of the ways that you can apply it. So if you want to learn how to apply this hanging eye makeup, just keep on watching this video.
The kit that I'm going to be using today is the hanging eye kit. I purchased this at Walmart and I wanted to show you in detail a tutorial on how to apply it. The instructions don't really tell you how to apply it, they just tell you to get an idea from the picture in the front. So what you're going to do is you're going to, first of all, the eyepiece, you're going to put it in the eye where you want it, just to measure where you want it exactly. I had to cut it off a bit because it was too big for me. You can always use scissors and cut off as much as you'd like. Once I cut off the amount that I wanted and I was happy with it, I glued it on, and to do that I used the liquid latex that it comes with. On the picture in the front it says to use most of the black and blood, but I didn't really like the way it turned out, so I'm gonna be doing it my way. I hope you guys enjoy it. You can always change it up to your liking. I'm gonna be applying some foundation, and this is just because I want to blend it with my skin tone. I'm gonna be applying it with my fingers, then I use a brush. Now we're gonna be moving on with the black paint, or the black makeup. I'm gonna be putting it in the center of the eye, and I'm going to be using a cotton swab. You can always use the brushes that it comes with. I actually wanted to go more in detail, and it was hard with a cotton swab, so I had to use one of my brushes. There was no red makeup in this kit, which I was pretty surprised because I like to use that, so I'm going to be using a red makeup that I already have from this color wheel. But I didn't really like the color that I applied first, so I had to change it up to a brighter red. So I had to use a different one. So I dabbed it on with that brush. Then after that, I'm going to be applying some blood. At first I thought I wasn't going to like this blood. This is the blood scab, and it's pretty thick, and I really did like it. It's a pretty good consistency, and it really does look real. I went in, I used the brush, and I also put some of that blood with a thin brush where the lines or the veins are on the fake eye. Then I went in with the blood drops. I didn't really like these because the color of the blood was a bit light or a bit pinkish, and in real life it didn't really look that real. So I went in and I used my own blood. This is a fresh blood that I think it looks a bit more real, more realistic than the one that comes with the kit. And it dries off, the one that comes with the kit, it dries off really fast, and I feel like it doesn't look as realistic. Then I went in with this sponge and I applied some of that fresh blood that comes with the kit, the fresh scab, and I dabbed some blood on, and I think that looks pretty good. It came out pretty well.
Thank you guys so much for watching. Thanks for all the support. I wanted to let you guys know, or mention to you guys, that if you don't have this kit or you're not accessible to it, you can always apply paper towels and liquid latex around. And to make the eye, you can also do it with liquid latex and paper towels. And then you can paint the eye with brown nail polish. That's just one idea that I wanted to throw out there, just for the people that cannot afford this makeup kit or cannot get their hands on it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe, because I'm going to be sharing with you more Halloween videos for you guys. I'm so excited because I haven't shared any Halloween videos in this channel in a very long time. Thank you guys so much for watching. Take care, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!